And what's good, everybody? On today's video, we're gonna go over this 18 gauge brad nailer by Porter Gable. It's got a 1/4 inch fitting, works on an air compressor. It's light, has a slot for 100 nails. 18 gauge brad nailer, 5/8 to 2 inches, 16 to 15 millimeters, and does not get stuck. We've built this entire outdoor area here. We've got over 4,000 nails. So this whole wall and this wall, and we wrapped around here as well, and this whole wall here as well. Very inexpensive, very quick way to do it. If you have a brad nailer like this, see, we're just kind of bumping each of these. We're just kind of shot these in, and then we use the cut and seal to seal all the wood. It looks great. Anyways, stay tuned for the whole video. So this is the original Porter cable. This is about 7 years old, and it kind of broke on us. Now this one here, this is a less maintenance one, Porter cable also. 18 gauge brad nailer, 5/8 to 2 inches, 16 to 15 millimeters. Whereas this one was 19 to 64 millimeters. So the first thing you're gonna notice is that the brad nailer is just a little bit lighter and just a little bit smaller. For long jobs, it's actually very, very good. And then you can have this little handle so you can have it rest on things when you're up in the air. It fits up to 2 inch, 18 gauge brad nails. We are using these ones. These are the DeWalt brad nails. The mechanism is right over here. You press this and then you reveal your nails. Connector is standard width. You pull this and then just kind of goes in. Of course, safety, it's not gonna work. You have to press it and then shoot it. So we are using the Porter cable compressor. It's 135 PSI. It's a 6-gallon. It's actually very, very cheap. The gun is actually very, very light, and it does get into tight spaces, right? So very little recoil, right? And nail heads are actually nice and flush. We've built this entire outdoor area here. We've got over 4,000 nails. So this whole wall and this wall, and we wrapped around here as well, and this whole wall here as well. Right. Very inexpensive, very quick way to do it. If you have a brad nailer like this, see, we're just kind of bumping each of these. So yeah, thanks for watching.